What's up, everybody? It's Pete from Pete's Place. So, quick tip for the day. If you're running iOS 14, there's a really cool feature that I think that you should check out. So, if you already have iOS 14 downloaded, go ahead, go into your settings, and from there we are going to click on accessibility. And then we are going to scroll down and you will see touch. So go ahead, click on that. And then we are going to scroll to the bottom and you will see a new feature called back tap. So let's click on that. Basically what this does, by simply tapping the back of your phone with your finger, you can make your phone do different shortcuts. So for example, the first one, double tap, will do a screenshot. And then we go to the other one, we have a triple tap, so we will tap 3 times on the back of our phone for this shortcut. And you can see that I have weather enabled. So simply by tapping twice on the back of my phone, that will do a screenshot. And by tapping 3 times, that should take me to my weather. And bam, there we go. Hopefully that helps you out, guys. And now you can enjoy this new feature along with me. Thanks for watching.